Okay guys, so today I will show you how to use chia seeds for extreme hair growth. So let's get started. Chia seeds are rich in iron, phosphorus, L-lysine. It contains 9 essential amino acids, omega-3 fatty acids that are all said to encourage and promote hair growth and also lessen hair shedding. Plus, chia seeds are ideal to use if you want stronger hair, nails, and clear skin. Now, it is said that if used twice a week, chia seeds can help us achieve thick and luscious hair. Okay, so there are 2 options on how you can use this. Now, you can use it topically or just straight up consume it. So you'd get all of the benefits and nutrients directly in your body. Okay, so first I will show you how to make chia seeds gel to put on your scalp for hair growth. For this recipe, of course, you'll need chia seeds, and the proportion really depends on how thick and how long your hair is. So for me, I use about 5 tablespoons full of it, and then I let it soak in the water for about 7 hours. Some people say you have to let them soak in overnight, but for me 7 hours was already good. And then it is going to swell up like this after. So from here you can add in your favorite oils or any other ingredients that you want to. So for me, I am going to use olive oil and almond oil together because they're great for softening the hair and as well hair growth. Now I'll put it in the blender, and by the way, I use about 3 tablespoons of olive oil and also 3 tablespoons of almond oil. And then I blended it very well to get into this consistency right here. Now you'll also need a cheesecloth to filter out these little grains right here because you don't want to get those things stuck on your hair when you wash it off. And now it looks like this. Kind of looks like a paste. Now all you have to do is apply this on your scalp and all over your hair, because not only is it good for hair growth, but also it can make your hair feel very soft and smooth after. Leave it in for 20 minutes and then just wash it off. Also, not only is it good for hair growth, but this will make your hair feel soft and smooth after. Now the other way is to consume it. Now there are a lot of ways on how you can incorporate chia seeds into your diet. So you can add them into your smoothie bowls or your toast. Now my favorite thing to do is I either add this to my lemonade or my blue turnip drink, which is also, by the way, really great for hair growth and clear skin. Here is the process on how I make it. I basically let the blue turnip soak in hot water till the water turns blue like this, and then I remove the leaves, and this is what it looks like. Now you can also add sugar or honey to sweeten this drink. Now this is totally optional, but if you want to flavor this blue turnip drink, you can also add in lemon juice. And as you guys can see, as soon as you add in the lemon juice, the color of the drink will kind of turn purple. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you ask me what is the best way or the faster and effective way on how to use this for hair growth, I really do suggest eating it, just so that you would get really all the nutrients and the antioxidants and some anti-aging properties that chia seeds provide versus just applying it topically. Now, applying it topically is also effective, but personally for me, I think that consuming it would not only benefit your hair but also your skin as well. And there's actually a lot of recipes and fun ways on how you can incorporate the chia seeds into your diet. You can, as I've said, mix it with your smoothies, mix it with your drinks. You can also eat this as well. Some people use this to garnish their toast instead of using sesame seeds as well. You can absolutely get creative with it. Now I was actually researching on how much chia seeds that you can eat every single day. They said that 2 tablespoons would be enough if you choose to consume it every day. But as I've said, regardless of what we read online, I think it's also great to, ask your doctor or your nutritionist. Although I don't really see any harm in eating chia seeds, and unless of course if you have any health problems or if you're allergic to it, then of course don't consume chia seeds. But just overall, in general, chia seeds is really going to benefit your health. And also, I've said this before and I'm gonna say it again, just like a broken record, but nutrition does play a huge role in growing your hair long and healthy fast. and also preventing hair loss as well. Alright, so that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!